Hey guys, it's me Hayden here, and today we're at the Children's Museum in Boise, Idaho, and let's go have fun. Okay guys, we're inside the building and we checked in, so now let's go explore. It's, oh, an Indian. Oh, look!
Go explore the pirate ship.
I don't want to go in anymore. There's a skeleton.
That pizza's looking mighty yummy. All right, can I please have some peppers, mushrooms?
What kind of peppers would you like?
All of those bell peppers.
Anything else?
And tomatoes, please. Perfect veggie pizza. Thank you. All done. You're gonna bake it right there in the oven in back of you? Thank you so much.
Would you like a box for that, ma'am?
Yes, please. I ate all my pizza except the last slice. I got full.
Here you go.
Give me a real box.
Yeah.
Yeah, right there.
You can't.
Oh, you can't? Oh.
Selection today, huh?
You can ride a cow too. You can saddle up. Okay.
I'll go in the back.
What? Oh my gosh.
Look at me.
No. Which pet are you going to adopt today?
Guys, we're going to go outside now, even though it's freezing outside. We have no reason to be outside. Let's go.
Watch where it goes. What did you get?
Oh, I got this sticker book of like the ocean and everything. It's really fun.